This is how you make creamy guacamole at home. Guacamole is a dish made from avocados. I am super excited to share this recipe with you, not just because it's ridiculously delicious, also because it's incredibly versatile. The creamy texture and rich flavor of this guacamole will surely make it a hit. And here is how you make it. You can use a mortar and pestle or a bowl. The original guacamole is made in a mortar. Peel the garlic, clove and chop it. Put the chopped garlic in a mortar and add a little salt. This will help crush the garlic more easily. When you have the garlic paste ready, prepare the lime juice. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave me a comment. Select a lime with smooth skin and some yellow spots. Such a lime is ripe and contains plenty of juice. Roll the lime around the cutting board to release all the juice and flavor. Now it's time for avocado. How do I know a ripe avocado? Firstly, the stem is easy to take off. And secondly, when you squeeze the avocado, it's flexible, not hard. How to open an avocado? Take a knife and cut through the skin to the stone. Then turn the avocado around. Not with a knife, avocado. Remove the stone by cutting the blade of the knife into the stone. Turn the stuck knife and release the stone. Use a tablespoon to scoop out the avocado flesh from the skin. When you have all the avocados in the mortar, start pounding them. After a while, add the juice of the lime. Peel a red onion and finely chop. The lime we added earlier will help keep the onion from spoiling quickly and extend the life of the guacamole. Take 2 tomatoes and cut them into quarters. Cut off the stems. Is it really important to cut out the center of the tomato? And why do we do it? It's all about not having too much liquid in the guacamole so that it doesn't become runny. But if the guacamole is meant to be eaten immediately, it's okay if you don't cut out the center of the tomatoes. When you have all the ingredients in the mortar, mix them together with a spoon and the guacamole is ready. The second method to make guacamole is to use a bowl. 2 grated or mashed garlic cloves. Prepare the lime juice. 3 avocados. Mash it all with a fork to the desired consistency. Finely chopped half of the red onion. Finely chopped 1 tomato. In this case, I cut out the center of the tomato. Put all the ingredients in a bowl with the avocados and mix. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste. You can add finely chopped chili peppers or cilantro, but since I am one of those people who taste cilantro like so, I don't use it. Feel free to use cilantro if you like it, but I am not a fan. Sorry. And there you have it, 2 methods of how you can make easy and creamy guacamole at home. If you use a mortar and pestle, you will get a smoother and creamier guacamole. A bowl is better for making guacamole more quickly with greater control over the consistency and size of chunks. Bon appetit! You can also have guacamole on nachos. If you haven't seen my video on nachos, you can find the link on the card or in the description below the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.